Please check the product information on the side of the box to confirm that the products are correct, including model and color. And record the bike's serial number for warranty. Use a knife to cut the strap and the tape over the box. Open the box. Cut the cardboard along the edges with a knife. Use flat nose pliers to cut the upper stainless steel cable wires. Use a 10mm socket and a 10mm wrench to unscrew the bolts on the top of the iron frame. Make sure to keep the top frame on top of the side support rods to prevent the top frame from falling and scratching the body. After all the top bolts are removed, carefully remove the top iron frame. Use scissors or a knife to cut off the plastic packaging of the bike body. Be careful not to scratch the body panels. Remove the front end from the package. Set aside the box with the rearview mirror and accessories. Open the accessory box. Use the key to open the front fuel tank storage. Remove the front windshield and set it aside. Grab the charger and set it aside. These are all the accessories you will receive. Remove the packaging from the front windshield. Use 6mm hex screw to remove the faceplate of the handlebar clamp. Put the handlebar onto the clamp. Make sure the wiring bundle is not twisted. Thread in the 4 bolts in an X pattern. Do not fully tighten them. Tighten all the screws. To install the right side hydraulic brake assembly, unscrew the 2 bolts for the holder. Position the hydraulic brake assembly next to the right switch housing. Tighten the bolts. The brake fluid reservoir should be horizontal. To install the switch housing, unscrew the 2 bolts for the switch housing. Pay attention to the locking pin inside the housing. Install the left switch housing. Make sure the locking pin is caught by the positioning hole in the handlebar. Tighten the 2 bolts to secure the switch housing on the handlebar. Install the left side brake assembly on the handlebar. Tighten the 2 bolts to secure the switch housing on the handlebar. Locate the bolts and windshield. Prepare a 10 mm wrench. Align the 2 holes in the windshield with the mounting holes. Install the 2 bolts. Secure the windshield on the mounting bracket. Prepare a 14 mm wrench. Grab the mirrors. Thread the mirror in the mirror holder. Tighten the locking nut after the mirror is adjusted to your preferred position. Do the same on the other side. Don't forget to move the rubber cap to the bottom. Located the pedal arms and prepare a 14 mm wrench. Identify the left and right pedal arms. Put the right pedal arm to the pedal axle. Tighten the nut. Place the dust protector on the pedal arm. Repeat the same procedures for the pedal arm of the other side. 2 pedal arms should be at 180 degrees. Located the pedals and prepare a 15 mm wrench. Identify the left and right pedals. Gently thread in the right pedal clockwise. Fully tighten the pedal with a 15 mm wrench. Gently thread in the left pedal anti-clockwise. Fully tighten the pedal with a 15 mm wrench. Kick down the side stand. Use flat nose pliers to remove the remaining stainless steel cable wires. Please note, hold the bike while removing the rear stainless steel cable wires. Remove the remaining wires from the frame. Use a 10 mm socket and a 10 mm wrench to unscrew the screws on the 4 side frame columns and remove the frame columns. Use the key to open the front fuel tank storage. Remove the bottom plate and open the circuit breaker. Perform a final check and move the vehicle away from the base iron frame.